Hello guys, I'm back again with new trending tutorial. This time, open any social media platform, you will see these types of photos, ghibli effect trend, cartoon effect trend everywhere. It's very easy guys. You no need to download any app and you no need to pay single money on it. It's totally free and it's very genuine tutorial guys. It works 100%. You just don't skip any step. Watch video till the end and you will have the amazing results. First step, open Google, Chrome or any browser you have. Just open. Now click on search bar and just type ChatGPT and search it. Now click on first search result and you will see this interface. Now click on try ChatGPT. Okay, now just click on this plus symbol, click on upload a file and just select your photo. For example, I'm selecting this one. Okay, now type here, turn this image in Studio Ghibli. Okay, just click on this symbol and AI started working on your picture. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see AI started working on your picture. By the way guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel yet, then do it guys. In every week I do come up with trending tutorial like this. If you don't want to miss, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, it's loading. Just wait for a few seconds. And this is our final result. You can see before one and the after one. It looks so realistic, so perfect. And to download the picture, just tap on this photo and you will see download symbol at right corner. Just click on it and photo started downloading. Simply click on open. You can see